Hey guys, Steve here. So I've been asked to do a video on the Rhino USA tire gauge. So when you first plug it in, looks like that. You hit it, green light comes on. Now when you plug it in, if it shows any pressure or anything, just bleed it here on the side and it'll put it to 0. It's already set for PSI. And now I've locked it on. So it's at 34. Now we're at 35.5. So this tire is good. Let's go to the other front tire. Says 35. You got it at 35.5. All right, so now we got to go to the rear. And these are supposed to be how much? 32. 32 in the rears, it says. Bleed it to 0. Well, it says 36. Now it says 35. Now we're bleeding it until we get to 32. .5 is good enough. Make sure to put your caps on, guys. All right, let's go to the other side.